What is an arbitration agreement in business disputes? Imagine you're in a business deal and suddenly, a disagreement pops up. Instead of heading to court, what if you could settle it privately and faster? That's where an arbitration agreement comes into play. An arbitration agreement is a part of a contract where two or more parties agree to settle any future disputes through arbitration instead of going to court. It's like setting the rules for how disagreements will be handled ahead of time. In this agreement, the parties choose one or more neutral people called arbitrators. These arbitrators listen to both sides, review evidence, and then make a decision called an arbitration award. This award is usually final and legally binding, meaning it can be enforced by courts if needed. The main goal of an arbitration agreement is to offer a private, quicker, and less costly way to resolve disputes. Court cases can take years and cost a lot of money, but arbitration can often be completed in a few months. It also keeps the details of the dispute out of the public, which is important for businesses that want to protect sensitive information. These agreements are often included as clauses in larger contracts like commercial agreements, employment contracts, or consumer deals. Sometimes they are mandatory, meaning all disputes must go to arbitration. Other times they are voluntary, where parties agree after a dispute arises. Arbitration agreements also specify how the process will work. This includes how arbitrators are chosen, what rules will govern the process, and what types of disputes are covered. They can be broad, covering any issues related to the contract, or narrow, focusing on specific matters. For businesses, having an arbitration agreement helps manage risks and avoid unpredictable jury decisions. It also saves money and time, and keeps disputes confidential. But it's important to carefully draft these agreements to include clear rules about the arbitration process, location, and qualifications of arbitrators. Overall, an arbitration agreement is a legal contract clause that directs parties to resolve conflicts through a private arbitration process instead of traditional court litigation. It offers a faster, more flexible, and confidential way to handle disagreements, tailored to the needs of businesses.